Folks, just wanted to show you how I prepare my 6-inch pies for the freezer. They'll last up to 3 months. They probably won't last that long around here, but at the end of the day, you can leave them in there for up to 3 months the way I'm going to show you. So you're going to need Saran Wrap or plastic wrap, piece of tin foil, and I like to put them in my 6x6 by 2-inch box. I'll show you how to put that together in a second. What I'm going to do is take some plastic wrap. Stuff drives me crazy, but it's good for what we're doing here. And I just fold it onto itself. Put my hands underneath. Make sure that it is completely covered and on the bottom. Then we'll set that aside. Take our pre-cut tin foil. I'm just folding it over in my hands. Fold it onto itself. Fold it again. And then I place my hands underneath it. And then I know that it's sealed. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 6x6 by 2 box with a really cute plastic window, and I'll show you how I fold this. It's fairly simple. So it comes with all kinds of different sides. This side, that side, left, right, center, top, bottom. So I start with the bottom, fold in the tabs, go to the side of the box, fold in those tabs, the other set of tabs. Make sure that this is moving nice, and then I'm going to fold that side, and then at the last, the top lid. Then all you do is take your tabs, put it in like that. Same with the other side, and we're in a box. Then we take the last 2 tabs and put them in the slots on the sides, and there you have it. So then, I always fold it backwards so to make it so it's pliable. I'm going to take my pie for the freezer, put it in the box, inside the box. If not, it looks really flimsy. So I'm doing this backwards, so it's kind of weird. So there you go. And then I just fold that in. And lift it up with my nail. There's a little slot there. And there you have it. Nice labels that we've created for our pie boxes. So I'm going to show you and put that on right now. What do you think of these? I think they're great. Just a sticky. I like the top left corner. And there you have it. And now they're ready for the freezer. And I will hold on to these until Sunday because I will be doing a market. And they'll go pretty fast. Thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed my video. And have a great day.